Triton's all-weather roof patch is a water-free, synthetic rubber compound used to effectively repair roofs, including seams, flashings, cracks, splits, penetrations, pitch pans, and more. AW patch is engineered for application in virtually any weather condition, including sub-zero temperatures and even wet surfaces or underwater. The new rubber patch will remain flexible in cold weather, unlike traditional mastics. AW patch can be applied in just one thick layer without cracking or crazing. Triton AW patch can be applied with a brush, trowel, putty knife, or glove. Polyester fabric may be embedded into the material for extra reinforcement. Note that when applying over a wet or damp surface, the substrate must still be clean and free of dirt and debris to obtain proper adhesion. For more technical information or to place an order, contact us through our website at www.tritonwp.com.